Disasters like hurricane strike, a Tri-Cities business is ready to make a difference. New at 11, headquartered in Pney Flats, Tennessee. Chef 5 Minute Meals has more than 1 million meals on standby, ready to be shipped to those affected by Dorian. News Channel 11's Ansley Daniel found out what they do to prepare for one of their busiest times.
When disaster strikes,
We've got people on standby, ready for that. We've got a ramp-up plan that's been in the works for about a month now.
Chef 5 Minute Meals in Pney Flats is ready to answer the call, with more than 1 million meals ready to go and be shipped out to those in distress. Founder and CEO Barry Sindell says a warm meal is something that can ease the pain.
When you get into a shelter where you have thousands of other people, everybody gets even more distress. And one thing to keep calmness with a lot of people is to feed them.
Through contracts with FEMA, the Defense Logistics Agency, and coastal states, his meals are the first on the ground when a disaster occurs.
When it hits, we'll know and we'll be ready. They'll give us a call and we have to release truckloads.
His MRE-style civilian meals heat up within 5 minutes with a patent-protected self-heater, making them ideal for those not near a set-up shelter or kitchen.
Your first responders are going in boats, in trucks, and they're feeding these people, handing out meal kits to them.
To help keep his big stock up, there are 25 production members that stay on year-round. But he says that during hurricane season, that amount more than triples.
Last year, this time, we were up to 80, and this year we, again, believe we'll be back up to 80.
Tonight, his factory is quiet, but tomorrow it will be hustling and bustling as they start to produce 60,000 meals a day.
We're now, this week, going to get all revved up to start producing that volume.
Chef 5 Minute Meals has a variety of prepared kits that last up to 6 years in storage. Sindell also says that they are in need of more employees to help keep up with production demands. You can find out how to be a part of their production line at WJHL.com. Josh?